Bluetooth headphones for kids. Connect any device including smartphones, tablets, and computers to wirelessly stream high-quality, kid-friendly stereo sound for entertainment and/or education. Listen to music, watch movies, TV, and YouTube, or use for remote learning, virtual classes, audiobooks, and more. Custom fit. Comfortable headphones feature an adjustable headband and soft ear cushions to provide a custom fit when using these foldable headphones for school, gaming, home, and more. Portable and rechargeable, these wireless headphones are ideal for travel too. Wired headphones option. Use your headphones two different ways. Up to 18 hours of continuous Bluetooth playtime when connected to a device. Use the included 3.5 mm audio cable to listen to music, audio when Bluetooth is not available, or when the battery needs to be charged. Wireless headphones with microphone. Chat with friends and family with ease during a video call or Zoom meeting. Ideal durable headphones for computer learning and school activities. Perfect gift. Kids' wireless headphones feature cool graphics inspired by the popular films. Harry Potter headphones look great on any little wizard, and makes the perfect gift for any occasion. Visit the eKids brand store to explore even more cool products. Top review from the United States. Very good article for what you like music. It has a very good sound. The battery lasts a long time.